Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and this should be a quick unboxing. I'd like to thank Artem straps for sending these over for us to check out. I don't need to send them back, so I'll mark this video as a paid promotion. Of course, I said it'll be quick, and I thought I could just rip this off. Alright, I guess not. I probably could eventually, but it'll take a long time, so let's just make a precise cut here, maybe. Okay, let's go back to plan A. Here we go. Well, that didn't work out too well. Oh, there we go. That was kind of tricky. I thought it was like folded over, but it's just double packaged. Oh. Alright, let's use the knife this time. Okay, I guess I spoke too soon saying this would be a quick unboxing. Alright, let's change the plans here. There we go. Close up the other blade here too. And let's get the straps out of here. Oh, okay, I guess they sent two straps. I was only expecting one, so that's kind of cool. Feels like aluminum foil bags or something here. There's one. There's the other one. Interesting packaging here. I'm not sure what that is. Looks like French, maybe? I don't know. I like the color though. It's a nice looking purple. Oh, okay. Alright, and I believe they only have 20 millimeter straps at the moment, so these should be, where's that, 22? I know the SKX for sure is 22. Yeah, so these are 20s. Let's see, I might be able to throw this on a watch quick. I don't have anything with 20 millimeter lugs in here. Yeah, you know what, I'll throw them on this one real quick. Just to give you an idea how it looks. Not a review by any means. These are quick release, so it should be nice and easy to put them on. Yeah, these feel nice. Leather backed. And then this part is, I believe it's canvas or sailcloth. These are sailcloth straps. I can't read that. Let's see, what does this say? I think it says Artem. Maybe you guys can see it on your screen. I can't make it out of my setup in here. And have a deployant here too, so that's very cool. Pretty sure that's a deployant clasp. Oh, okay. I thought it was a friction fit, but there's a spring in there, so that's very cool. So butterfly type clasp. That's very neat. So you know, I think I'll put this one on the dress KX. I don't have anything else here handy. Yeah, you know what, let me put it on this watch and I'll be right back. I think I messed up my spring bars. I was using the drilled lug hole and I kept pushing and I think I messed one up. It kind of killed it, so there it is. Hopefully you'll focus. See how that end's not sticking out anymore? I guess I pushed it in too far. And then this one's kind of, yeah, I don't know. I don't know Seiko use these cheap spring bars like this. I'm used to the ones that have the kind of a ring on here that you can use with the tool. But anyway, well, that's kind of a bummer. Let's see if I can put this on the right way. Gotta find, there we go. That spring system is cool. I've not seen anything like that before, so that's pretty neat. Usually I'm not really a fan of butterfly clasp, but that's a neat system there. Let's see, did I get it in the hole? There we go, got that one in there. So let me get this watch off wrist, just wearing the Islander here. I think it looks good on this watch. I just had it sitting here on the table. I had been meaning to do a video of this one, so I guess I gotta fix that spring bar and get the video done for this watch. So let's see. Put that one there, this one here. I'll tighten this strap later. Yeah, I just want to see how it looks on wrist. Looks a little goofy because it's kind of springing out there, but there you go. That gives you an idea. I actually like this combination. It looks nice and dressy. All right, well, big thanks to Artem for sending these out, and thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it, and it really helps me out. As always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.